Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, Earth sign. This reading is about your person, current feelings and actions. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see Taurus, your person, current feelings. First, so your person, current feelings towards you. Okay, Six of Wands. Hangman. Six of Pentacles. Under the deck, Four of Wands. They're thinking about you very positively. You both could be twin flames, not for all, very for some. And Four of Wands, happy life, marriage. And they want a commitment with you and they want to be a committed relationship with you. Taurus, Four of Wands energy, they want celebration with you. Okay, so let's see your reading. First card, Six of Wands. They're thinking about you. You are very attractive person. You are very successful person. Maybe for some you are celebrity type of person. One person in this connection could be. Yeah, they want success in this connection. Maybe there is a relationship between both of you. Yeah, you both are in relationship, but there is on and off communication. Maybe there is no consistency, what I'm getting here. That's why you want consistency in this connection. You want success in this connection. Your person want to restore balance in this connection. Okay, so Taurus, you also want commitment in this relationship and your person also want restore balance and want to success in this relationship. And Hangman, your person right now undergoing some spiritual awakening. They are stuck and thinking about you a lot regarding the relationship, regarding equal give and take. I think in past maybe your person not offered equal give and take, but now they want to offer equal give and take. Yeah, they know. Maybe they are realizing your worth. You are always there for your person, but now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, thinking about everything, and they are now getting clarity. Six of Pentacles. There is no equal give and take in this connection. There is no collaboration. There is no partnership. But now your person want to offer equal give and take. They're thinking about equal give and take. Your person always taking, but there is no return. But now they really want to offer equal give and take. They want to return back. Yeah, they want success in this relationship and they want to take this relationship to next level. These are their current feelings. Let's say their action. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see their near future actions towards you. Hermit. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Virgo. Right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. For some there is no contact situation. But they're thinking about you very deeply. Deeply thinking about you. Taurus. But you are very attractive person. You are getting success for your hard work. Because they see you as a successful person and very attractive person. You are creating more money. Taurus. Maybe for some your person is scared to come towards you. Yeah, Four of Swords energy, no contact situation. Five of Swords, 4 to 5. Six. Oh my God. I want one more clarification card for Six of Swords. Okay. Yeah. They want to fix the things between both of you. But it is very slow moving energy. Again, Ten of Wands, your person right now feeling overburdened. It could be due to their work pressure or family responsibilities. It could be any reason, but your person feeling overburdened. Maybe for some it is like hard work for them. So let's see Four of Swords. Right now your person undergoes some healing and meditation. Maybe in past they hurt. Maybe in past they have some baggage. They want to heal from that. That's why Four of Swords energy. They are undergoing some meditation and healing. They are not talking to anyone, but thinking about you a lot. because there are some disturbances between both of you. Five of Swords, maybe they did something wrong to you in past, that's why the separation had happened between both of you. There is some backstabbing here. Maybe they lied to you. There is no consistency, on and off connection. Maybe they are not available to you emotionally when you want. Yeah, Five of Swords, disputes, misunderstandings between both of you. But Six of Pentacles with Six of Swords, they want to fix the things between both of you. Some communication, they want to fix the things. Because Knight of Pentacles, this time your person is very serious about this connection. Because Six of Pentacles, they really want to offer equal give and take. They are knowing their mistakes. And Knight of Pentacles energy, they're coming back, but very, very slow moving energy, because Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy. But this person is very sincere and very stable offer. Yeah, they are making their mind before coming towards you. They are very clear what they want in their life now after the transformation, because right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening. And the person involved in this connection could be again a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Two of Swords. Communication. And Six of Cups. And Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings. And they are very passionate about you. They are very attracted to you, Taurus. And they want to speak their truth. They want to be honest with you. Because Ace of Swords, truth coming out. And communication. They really want to communicate with you. And Six of Cups, they want reconciliation. And they want to marry you. They want to be with you forever. And Six of Cups, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, communication. Lots of communication is coming between both of you. There will be back and forth communication. And there will be a positive shift in this connection. See? Seven of Wands. I think one person won't give up on this connection. I think it could be your person. And you also want reconciliation with your person. Four of Wands, celebration. Again, you both could be twin flames. And Eight of Wands, lots of communication is coming. And you both could be soulmates also. Not particular, because Six of Cups, soulmate connection. Okay, take what resonate. Because this is general reading, not about one particular person. So Eight of Wands, there is some movement in this connection in near future. And there will be lots of communication is coming. You also want communication with your person, and your person also want communication with you. I think communication is the key here, guys. Yeah, see, mutual card. And again, King of Swords, communication. And Three of Pentacles, there will, in near future, there will be partnership, collaboration between both of you. For some, you both already known each other. You're both working like in same office, colleagues type. So Three of Pentacles. You both want this relationship. You both want to work on this relationship. In past, there is no partnership. There is no collaboration between both of you. But now, Three of Pentacles, reconciliation. I think lots of you will reconcile in near future. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But lot of water energy and fire and air energy. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Very beautiful reading. Work through your fears. First card from Moon Oracle deck, especially when new moon in Scorpio. And meditate and contemplate. Okay. When especially new moon in Pisces. So if you are having any fears, this is the time you have to work through your fears. This is the message from universe. Okay. You have to overcome those fears. And meditate and contemplate. So if you are having any problems regarding your relationship, regarding your work, whatever, you have to meditate. Meditation gives you peacefulness, and through peacefulness you will get answers from your higher self. Okay, do meditation and get the results. This is the message from universe. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.